Hi everyone, welcome to Molly's Firehouse. Today we had our big fence project continuation going on. Robert had dug the holes previously for our posts. Today he put in some concrete, and I think he had maybe 8 of these posts that had to be done. But what happened was, during the latest tornado that went over, the wind really blew, and you could see there's like 6 inches between the rail, and actually it had fallen back a little bit, so we put in these rails so this could be shored up, and hopefully the fence will be able to come back to its original position. You could tell, especially down there, it's way off. So we're gonna let this cement cure for a while and then finish up this project. But the good part is, I think the best part, one of the best parts, is now I get to plant my sunflowers. You can tell I have covered up my spots where I'm going to be planting the sunflowers because I didn't want people to walk over the spot. Since I have mulch here, it's hard to see where the holes are. You can tell I have some silverware down there. That's what I use. So all of these little pots right here covered the silverware, so during this fence project they wouldn't get moved, trampled on, and no one would get hurt. So this is the fence project. Day a million. What you got going today?
I'm gonna try to concrete those posts in for you.
Boden wants to supervise.
Gotta give it a go.
Boden, come here. Hi everyone, this is Dana at Molly's Firehouse in Clarksville, Arkansas. We're located at the base of the Ozark Mountains, and we have many species of birds and different animals that we would love to share with you during our live stream. We live stream daily from 8 a.m. Central Standard Time to dusk. We've had about 64 species of birds, and we have plenty of critters, including the squirrels and our star of the garden, Brownie the squirrel. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any of the fun and enjoy nature at Molly's Firehouse.